How to upload videos to Terabox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about uploading videos to Terabox. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Terabox application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. You can log in using your Google account or your Facebook account. Now, once you're logged in your Terabox account, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll have the option of uploading photos, videos, documents, zip file, applications, and more. You can also scan or take a photo or upload one. Now, in the case if you want to upload videos, you have to first activate the premium feature of Terabox. Until then, you won't be able to access the videos on Terabox. But besides that, instead of videos, you can easily upload photos from your gallery, even the documents, zip file and applications from your files. And to upload videos, you can click on this more section over here. It will direct you to the drive section, and from here you can choose any of the videos you'd like to upload. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can upload videos on Terabox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.